Hello, this is Professor Nirali Kansara, Director JG College of Computer Application. I have created this video to include step-by-step procedure for creating basic Google Meet for online session with file sharing and recording. So this video is going to help the beginners. So let's begin. First of all, you have to sign in with your Gmail email ID, and then when you will open Google, you will see 9 dots on the top right corner. You have to click on these 9 dots and you will get this pop-up. From this pop-up, you have to click on calendar. When you click on calendar, it will show you the current date, and below the current date there is a red line. When you click on that red line, it will show you this kind of dialog box. In this dialog box, you can give title of your online session and you can save it also, but to set other options, you have to click on more option available here. When you click on more option, you will get this screen. In this screen, you will see the title which you have given earlier of your session. Then in event detail section, you have to click on add Google Meet video conferencing. When you click over here, it will show you the Google Meet. You have to select it, Google Meet. And it will show you this screen where Google Meet is added and it provides the option join with Google Meet. So your meeting title is demo lecture. It was when I created this video, it was 4th June. So it shows 4th June. Time was 11 to 12 p.m. You can set any date and time when you want to conduct your online session. Then after selecting this Google Meet option, you have to select your file which you want to share with your students. So for that, in the same screen, you will see here attachment symbol. When you click on this attachment symbol, it will show you one more dialog box from where you can select your file or your presentation, your PDF, anything which you want to share with your students. When you click on the recent, it will show you the recently selected files. When you click on My Drive, it will show you the files which are available in your Google Drive. And if you want to select file from your computer, then you have to click on Upload button here. And then you will see Select Files from your device button here. When you click on this Select Files from your device, it provides you, it will open another dialog box, open dialog box. So from any drive in your computer, you can select any of your file. Here I have selected SOP of online lecture, PDF file, then click on open button. When you click on open button, it will show you the file here. And then you have to click on upload again here. When you click on upload, the file will be attached here in your Google Calendar. Okay. And then you have to click on save button to save your event. But before saving your event, if you want to invite your guest for this Google Meet, so you have to click here in Add Guest option. When you click here, it will show you the email addresses, and you can select one by one email addresses of your guest which you want to invite. First, see here. I have created this event, so I am the organizer of this event. Now I want to invite one guest, so you select email ID of that guest. Similarly, you can add more guests. Okay, just by clicking here in Add Guest option. Okay, so as many guests you want to add, you can select it from this drop down. Or if you have email IDs stored in Excel file or in any other file, you can copy all those email addresses and you can paste here. So all those guests were invited in your meeting. Then click on Save button. So what you have done here, you have given title of your online session. You have set date and timings of your online session. You have added Google Meet through calendar for your online session. You have attached one file by clicking on the attach symbol which you are going to share with your students. You have invited different guests here. Now it also shows the permission, guest permission, which you want to allow to your guest. Modify event, no. Invite others, that means you have invited someone and he or she wants to invite others, then you can select this option. Okay. See guest list, others can also see the guest list, you can click here. This is not that much important. If you will not set anything here, then also it will work. So after adding the guest, you have to click on Save button. When you click on the Save button, it will show you one message. Would you like to send invitation email to Google Calendar guest? Yes, the guest which you have added, you want to send this invitation to them. So click on Send. When you click on Send button, it will show you one more pop-up. What kind of access you want to allow to your guest? They can only view, they can comment, they can edit. No, as we are going to conduct this online session for students, so we just want to allow them to view this presentation. So select view, which is already selected, so you don't have to do anything, and you just have to click on invite button here. When you click on invite button, that event will be saved to your Google Calendar. Okay. So now your online session or your Google Meet has been arranged through Google Calendar. Now you have to go to the Google Meet. So for selecting Google Meet, you can directly double click here. So again, it will open this screen. Okay. From this screen, you can click on Join with Google Meet. Or if you don't want to do it after creating this event, you have to again go to those 9 dots available on top right corner. When you click on it, it will show you the Meet option. So click on Meet and open your Google Meet. So when you click on Google Meet, it will show you your scheduled online session. See here. Title of our online session is demo lecture, which was scheduled at 11 o'clock from 11 to 12. Okay, so click on now and it will show you this kind of screen. Okay. Now it will show you two options, join now and present now. So for presenting the file, you can directly click on the present, but when you click on the present, it will not show you the recording option. So click on join now. Okay. And it will show you the microphone and video symbol here. You can clicking on these two options, you can switch on and switch off your microphone and videos. Okay. So click on join now. When you click on join now, it will show you this screen. Okay. Which shows one attachment here with the name of your online session. It shows one attachment here. When you click on it, it will show you the file which you have selected through Google Calendar. So open that file, and that file will be opened in another tab. Here is your Google Meet. Okay. This is your meeting and this is your file which you have opened from the attachment. Okay. Now again go back to this Meet Demo tab, and in the bottom right corner you will have option present now. When you click on present now, it will show you three options. From these three, we have to select Chrome tab because our file which we want to share with the students is available in Chrome tab. So select Chrome tab. Okay. So it will show you this dialog box. In Chrome tab, so many options are open. So what you want to share with your students? So select the file which you want to share with your students and click on share button. So when you click on share button, your Google Meet will start sharing selected file to the students or to the guest. Now, when you click on the tab which is sharing the file, you can see here this tab is sharing your screen. Okay, this tab is sharing your screen. This option is available so that you can understand your file is being shared. When you click on the Meet option, and when you click on the tab which is sharing your file, you will see the option this tab's content is being shared. That means you can understand which file is being shared. Okay, so these two tabs are important. Okay, from here you can share, and from here you can understand this file is being shared. Now again you have to click on this Meet Demo tab to record your session. So in the bottom right corner, you will see three dots. When you click on it, it will show you the option record meeting. So click on record meeting. It will show you the message that so many guests are invited. So do you want to record the session? Kind of access. So click on accept. Yes, I want to record the session. So now your file is being shared and your recording is also started. Okay, so start your session, record the session, and after finishing your online session, after your presentation, you have to again click on three dots available here. So it will show you the option stop recording instead of start recording. So when you click on stop recording, it will show you the message that do you want to stop recording? So click on yes. But before that, you can read here where this recording will be saved. So it will be saved to your registered email ID through which you have signed in for creating Google Calendar event and for Google Meet. So it will be saved to your registered email address, and click on stop recording. Okay. Now I want to explain you about participants which are in the meeting. So they will be available in Meet Demo tab. You have two tabs, but now you have completed sharing this file. So now again you have to concentrate on this Meet Demo tab. Now there may be a question in your mind when you are working with these two tabs, which file is being shared or which screen is being shared with student. So this screen is sharing something and this file is being shared. So students can only see the file which you have shared, PDF file only. Yes. Now here in the right corner, you can see the participant or people which are in the meeting. Okay, so right now when I created this video, I didn't invited anything, so only you can see one participant. Okay. If you have not added your guest from the Google Calendar, you have another option for adding the people by clicking on this add people. When you click on add people, it will show you the same dialog box which you have seen while adding the guest in Google Calendar. Okay. From add people, you can add guest from here. You have one more feature available here, chat. When you write any message here and send, it will send to everyone. Here you can see hello message, which I have sent just for testing. Okay, so from here you can have idea how many participants in your meeting, and while session, if you ask any question or if students want to ask any question, you can ask them to write here and send. Now when you record your session, it will also record the chat. So in your email ID, you will get two files. One file will be MP4, that is video file, and another file will be the backup of your chat. Okay. Now, if you feel that this right side window is disturbing you, you can click on close, so it will be pop up here. Okay. Now your meeting is over and you want to end it. So you have to click on this red colored calling icon. When you click on it, it will end the meeting. Okay. And it will show you this message, you left the meeting. That's all. I hope this video will help you to arrange basic online session with file sharing. Thank you.